Hey, folks, day 88, December 13th here. Better get my ass moving to finish these resolution videos. Last half of a month here, it's been a journey, and like I've said before, I haven't, defeated or conquered all of my goals, but I've definitely conquered, or why do I keep saying conquered? I've made other goals, I've achieved them, goals that I didn't actually make in the beginning. The biggest one, I think, is financial success. I've just spent the whole year a ton of time in the stock market trying to figure out how to make money and how to make a living. And, more money is always better than less. Not to be greedy with, but to utilize. Money is only a tool. I think I've said that before. If you're just collecting money and putting it in a bank account or under your mattress just for money's sake, just to have as much money as possible, well, you're probably not going to be a very happy person, because money is just paper. It's just part of a tree. But if you can use money as a tool to achieve your goals and dreams, and to assist other people in achieving their goals and dreams, and to build and to make cool things, to create awesome, cool things, then more money is always better than less. Utilize your money that you make. And so this education has been very expensive in the stock market, but it's also obviously been very educational. I've learned a ton by making mistakes, and I finally think I've arrived at a place that makes sense. Not gambling. You really can't gamble and make money at the same time. I mean, you can, but then it's just more stressful, because you'll make $2,000 and then you'll gamble away $2,000 or $3,000 or whatever, and then it's just a shitty cycle that you're in, where you're like, I really can't make money because I make it then gamble it away. Well, exactly. So stop fucking gambling, and then you're gonna be sitting pretty fucking good. Because I can make money every single day. I can make money every single day. It's just stupid mistakes that I make put me behind, or put me in the hole. But anyways, on a positive note, yeah, I feel like I've cracked the code on this thing, and I call it 10-minute intervals in the market. All you got to do is a couple of things. Have $25,000 in your account to be a pattern day trader, so you could trade in and out of the market all day long. Have $25,000 in your account, and then get a series of stocks. I have about 10 or 12 of them. Just get a series of securities and look through their data and everything. And that's not even really that important with a day trader, because usually if stocks are going to go bankrupt or go kaput, it's going to be in the middle of the night or some shit. So if you're a day trader, you're just moving, you're just investing on market volatility. So yeah, get your $25,000 in there. Find 10 or 12 securities that you like. The more volatile, the better. And at $25,000 in your account, you are looking at probably $15 to $25 securities are probably the best. I got a couple $30 ones, but you really got to have the margin on there too. So the margin maintenance on there, that shows you how much more over your equity that you can invest. So let's say you can invest $2,000 on a security. If your margin maintenance is 50%, well, now you can invest $4,000, right? If it's 25%, well, now you can invest what would that be, $8,000? I don't know exactly how that works out with the math, but the point of the matter is, you need a good margin. You can't have your margin at 100%. Well, you can, but then you're going to be just doing cash investments. So this is just a lot of mumbo jumbo. The short version of what I'm trying to say today is have $25,000 in your account. Trade in and out of the market, 10 to 12 securities that you're comfortable with investing at least 1,000 shares or more on each security. I put more on the investment, the day trade, if I'm more confident in it. But if I'm looking at it and I'm like, I don't really know where this thing is going, then I kind of put less, because then I can potentially dollar cost average on at a later, in the next 10 minutes. I don't like doing that though, because then you have bigger positions and you're not always in the best position. So my biggest recommendation is after 10 minutes, just drop your investments, all of them, no matter what. No matter if they made money or lost money, drop them, because you can invest in something else. And I've learned that the fucking hard way. I've held investments they're still working downstairs. I've held investments for hours and hours and all day long. And I've lost, sometimes thousands of dollars. And I just kick myself and I go, why the fuck am I doing this when I'm a day trader? I can get in the market and I can get out of the market as quickly as humanly possible. But I'm sitting here and watching this investment just crumble and, biting my nails and everything. And it just hit me, why the fuck am I doing that? I don't have to do that. I have the luxury of trading in and out of the market. 10-minute interval trading. I just know that one day when I'm rich and famous and have millions of dollars, and I'm living my dreams, doing everything I want, people are going to say, how did you go from, having absolutely nothing to this? And I'm simply going to say, go watch these fucking videos. Go watch those videos, because I show my struggles and everything financially throughout an entire year of my life. And again, I'm not going to say that I've cracked the stock market code, but I'm going to say I'm in a position that feels better than it's ever felt. Like, I feel comfortable with this system that I'm doing. $25, $25,000, 10-minute intervals in and out of the market, trying to speculate which way that security is going to go in that 10-minute interval. Right, wrong, or indifferent, you get rid of it after 10 minutes and you move on to 2 new securities. I came back on Friday from I was down a lot. I was down $2,500, and I came all the way back, made it all back with this system. The system of saying, fuck you, in, out, in, out, in, out, fuck you. And it's what I'm doing today, and I'm up today. And, yeah, that's about it. Just on top of that, be grateful. Use money as a tool. Don't collect money just to have money. Have a reason for it. And if you have a reason for money, it will come to you. If it's not a greedy, selfish reason, if you're just like, I want to, build a restaurant in this town. I want to build a hotel. If you have a dream that is going to serve other people just as much as it'll serve you, it will happen if you believe it and you hold those goals in front of you every single day. All right, that's far long enough for this video. Let's get out and take the dog for a walk in this beautiful snow outside. Look at that. Wonderful. See you later, everyone.